get going. Sometimes I'm not grammatically correct. I apologize.
Regarding re-entering the U.S. with a B2 visa, if my passport was stamped with something that says limited stay, will this make it more difficult upon the next attempt to travel and return to the U.S.?
Absolutely. You better stay out for a long period of time before you come back.
Acris Butamanti on YouTube. My brother wants to apply for asylum. He is bringing his partner and she has 2 children who she shares custody with as their biological father abandoned them. Will we still need to get permission from the biological father to bring the children to the U.S.?
Sometimes they ask if you can get it, great, but if the biological father abandoned them and you can show that the biological father abandoned them, you don't need it.
Okay, Romel on Facebook. I have a VAWA case and my I-360 is pending for 2 years now. I just received the prima facie from USCIS. What does this mean?
It means that they've made a cursory look at your application and they believe that it's legitimate.
Super Amore Love on YouTube. Is Biden going to appeal the immigration deportation freeze block?
The deportation, maybe, but by the time they appeal it, it's the 100 days is over, so it's irrelevant.
Hey, Darlene Cruz on YouTube. Is there any chance that an F1 student can apply for a green card?
Yeah, if they get sponsored by a job or a family member, it's possible. Why not?
Natasha Archer on Facebook. Can my husband petition for my children who are currently in the U.S. if they are 8 years old and 21 years old?
If the 8-year-old, yes. The 21-year-old, if the marriage happened before the 18th birthday.
Okay, Moni Fernandez on Instagram. If my company is going through an acquisition and I'm under an H-1B, what are my options to apply for lawful permanent residence? I've been employed under a TN for 3 years and under the H-1B for a year and a half.
Well, you got to find out what the acquisition is. If it's a new company buying your old company, they're going to have to re-sponsor you. The new company is going to have to re-sponsor you for your H-1B because there's no company there anymore. If it's a company just buying, the assets of a company, then, that's also going to be a problem. So it depends on really what the situation is with the purchase of the company. So we got to find out more about that. Thanks for watching. For more Brad Show Live, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.